All right, here we go. Hey, good to talk to you again, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to take a look at an accessory for the Apple AirTags. This is a keyring by a company called Saatchi, and I picked this up off of Amazon for $12.99. Now, it does completely expose the actual AirTag itself, so there's pretty much no protection whatsoever. But on the flip side, it does allow for a very minimalistic look for the AirTags, and it comes in 4 different colors options, which is black, silver, blue, and red. Now on Amazon's product page for the keyring, it states that it allows the AirTags to keep its original look and will not cover up any engraving that the AirTags may have. I guess, if engravings are important to you. In any case, I feel like it's a bit of a reach. So go ahead. I'm going to actually go ahead and unbox this. I'll be honest, I already unboxed it. I've actually had this for a few months now, but I wanted to show you guys what actually came in the box. Now the packaging, it's pretty simple. We have the Saatchi branding up front, and we got some pictures of the keyring itself, and it kind of tells you how many keyrings come in the box, but also includes a picture here of the keyring installed on the AirTag itself. Now on the back, it shows you how to install the actual keyring, and it's a nice teal color. Now one nice touch on the back is there is a statement that says, "We hope you never have the need, but if you do, our service is friendly and hassle-free." So that's very nice. So in the box, you get 4 key rings. We also get 4 different keychain holders that you can attach to the key ring, which is nice. And they are spring-loaded. Like I mentioned earlier, I've had these for quite some time. I don't know where the other 2 spring-loaded rings are, but in the package, it did come with 4. You get 1 for each key ring holder. So just kind of keep that in mind. So installation is pretty simple. All you need to do is, take the back door off the AirTag like so, and then place the key ring back in the position and then lock the AirTag door back. So it's pretty much I would say a hassle-free process. The materials on the keyring is aluminum, so kind of keep that in mind. I do wish it was stainless steel. And I will say it is a bit easy to bend this guy if you're not careful. Now to remove the AirTag from the ring itself, it's pretty much the reverse process. All you need to do is simply take the AirTag door off of the housing, and then you can remove the ring itself. I guess you would do this if you needed to, maybe switch out the AirTag holder for a different color, or maybe replace the battery on the AirTag because the battery one did. One thing to note is the actual AirTag does spin, so just kind of keep that in mind. It's a tight fit, if that makes any sense, but I'll demonstrate exactly what that actually means if you decide to pick this up off of Amazon. So these key rings are pretty cool. I really like the colors. I like the fact that you can see your emoji if you wanted to do that. I will say there are some other cases that don't show the back of the actual AirTag itself. I guess that's their selling point. But the colors are very neutral and they're very pleasing to the eye. So kind of keep that in mind. Also keep in mind that this won't protect the AirTag at all. So just wanted to make sure you knew that. I feel like these key rings are more like a lanyard. And I think it would have been nice if Apple offered something similar to this with the AirTags, but you know what Apple's about, making that money off of those accessories, so I can't be really mad at them. They're a business. But yeah, this is just a quick video that I wanted to do. AirTag rings from Saatchi. Remember, it does include 4. It's priced at $12.99. If you're looking for an expensive way to attach your AirTag to your keyring, I think this is a good option. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can pick these up. If you have any comments, please leave the comments below. Otherwise, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Later.